and the pain points and all that, then AI can help you craft compelling, unique proposition, okay, value proposition for your service or product, yeah, for that specific niche, and it will highlight what sets your offer apart from your competition and how it actually is tailored to meet the needs of your customers. Okay, so that's the last prompt that we'll need to be using. So now your example is unique. All you do is you take this and you customize it. You put the product or service that you've chosen from the result that we just ran for the ideal customer and the niche research.